preparing some lemon pepper chicken. This is the beginning. Watch what happens next. Okay, my lemon pepper chickens are ready, and I use my lemon savory glaze to coat these chickens in the last 20-30 minutes of cooking. And you guys make sure you get some on those tips, so maybe your man or your girl might want to crunch on those little crunchy savory little tips. So make sure that you put some of my glaze, well, not my glaze, well, you make it as your glaze. Make sure you put the glaze on the tips so it could be some crunchy goodness. Okay, well, I just want to share my Sunday dinner, lemon pepper chicken. Thanks for watching.